Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to continue automating the test cases in this Tutorials Ninja e-commerce application. Okay, so in the last session, we completed automating the logout related test cases. Okay, now we are into the search functionality. Okay, so let's start automating the test case under the search functionality. So we'll start with the first one. So verify searching with an existing product name. Okay, we need to verify searching. Okay, we need to verify by entering an existing product name. We are able to search for that existing product. That existing product is coming in the search results or not. We need to verify in that e-commerce application. Further, we need to open the application URL in any supported browser. Enter an existing product name into the search text box field. Okay, like HP or iMac or whatever it is. Click on the button having search icon and then searched product should be displayed in the search results. Okay, this is what simple test we have to do. That is, I'll just show you manually as a demo. I have to go to this application in the search box field. In the search box field, guys, I need to type HP here and click on the search button. Once I click on the search button here, okay, once I click on this search button here, in the search results, we should get the appropriate product, okay, coming, okay. So if this particular relevant product, HP related product comes, then we can pass the test. Otherwise, the test is failed, okay. So let's start automating this, guys. For that, we'll just simply go to this project and, close all this stuff and just focus on whatever that is needed. So here under the test package, guys, I am going to create a new class. I'll just name this as search class. Click on finish, and inside this search class, I'm going to create a method, guys, that is public void verify search with valid product. Okay, verify search with valid product, and here write down at the rate test annotation. Hold the mouse on this and import this at the rate test from testng library. Once that is done, okay, once that is done, here create some method that is public void setup method, and here provide at the rate before method annotation. Hold the mouse on this and import it from testng library, and here write down, okay, here write down the code where first we need to open the application URL in the browser. Go to the base.java, and here is one method here. We created one method here that is open browser and web application. Open browser and application. Okay, copy that and paste it here. Put a semicolon here. Okay, and hold the mouse. And here this method is not called because I need to make this as a child class. So I'll simply say extends base class. Okay. Once I extend this base class, I'll import this base class, which is in a part of a different package. Now hold the mouse on this. It is returning you the driver, guys. Okay, and it's returning you the driver, and we need to we need to declare the driver, guys. If you go to the login.java, did we declare the driver? Yes, public web driver like that. Here also you have to do the same thing. Here public web driver declare this with the help of WebDriver interface. Hover the mouse on this and import this WebDriver from Selenium library. And after that, once you get this driver, what is the next thing that we have to do? Open browser and application. Once you open the browser and application, we need to load the properties file here. Okay, generally we'll load the properties file here. And if you just want to, so how to here anyhow, when you open the application URL in the browser and all, if you go to this base, okay, here anyhow properties file is getting loaded, guys. We can load it again, that's okay. But if any other things are required here, we can load it, guys. Okay, for example, here can simply say call this method load properties file. Where is that? Common utils. Okay, it's under the common utils, under the utils. Okay, here under common utils we have that load properties file or load properties method, which will return you the object reference of the properties. Okay, that you can use across the Java file here. Okay, so here I'll write down common utils dot load properties. Put a semicolon here and it will return you the properties file here. Simply say prop is equal to, and here simply write down properties prop. Okay, put a semicolon here and import this properties from java.util package. Once you load the properties file, what is the next thing that I need to do? Okay, I need to create an object for the landing page. I need to first create an object for the landing page here. Okay, because the search box field, is there on the landing page or from the landing page you are taking. And if you go to the page classes and see the header options, anywhere we have created anything about search here, search button. Is there any search box field here? Search button is there here, but is this okay? Phone icon, heart icon, shopping cart, checkout, header options, logo options, search button. Okay, header part. In the header part, you can create, guys. If you want in the header part, you can create, or you can, most of the cases will do it from the landing page only. So you can also do it in the landing page here. You can add the elements in the landing page and we can also get it done. So I'll take one of the approach here, like, you know, we'll see in the landing page we'll keep, okay. And just see if required, we'll also create that in the header options also for now. So here I'll create, here, a landing page object reference I'll create, that is landing page is equal to new landing page. Okay, landing page is equal to new landing page, and pass this driver here, and hover the mouse and import this landing page from pages. And then in the landing page, you have to say landing page dot enter. Okay, enter search term or something. Okay, enter search term, something like that we have to say. So that I'll do it in the test method. Okay, till landing page it is common thing, guys. Okay, from the landing page whatever you want to search you have to write here. Okay, but to do that, landing page dot enter search term into the enter term into search box field, like that if you want to write. So in the landing page you have to create a web element for the search box field, web element search field. Okay, enter product into search field or something, search field here, search field or search box field. Okay, search box field is also fine. And here at the rate find by annotation, and here I need to inspect this search box field here and inspect this, and you'll get this locator, that is you'll get name locator. Copy this name locator, guys, and come back here and simply write down name is equal to give that name locator. And here create a method, public void enter search term into search box field. Okay, if you want to make it more better, enter product name. Okay, product name into search box field, enter product into search box field. Okay, product name into the search box field, like that you write it down. And here you have to get the product name, product text, product name text is equal to, like this you have to write, and just go for search box field and say send keys dot send keys. And here you have to give the product name text here and put a semicolon here. Say simple return, simply say return here. It should be string, sorry, this is like send keys, right? I should not return anything, actually it is void actually. Okay, don't return anything, simply say search box field dot send keys, that's it. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so save this, come back here and simply write down landing page dot enter product name into the search box field. What is the product name that you want to enter? I'll go to the properties file here. This time I'll go to the properties file, and here I'll create one more property saying valid existing product. Okay, existing product. Okay, existing product is equal to HP. I'll give, that's okay. The product that is available in the application, I'm going to give that. And here I'll write prop dot, since here properties object reference we got, we can do this prop dot load, sorry, prop dot get property, and the prop dot get property in double quotes give that property name. Okay, prop dot get property name, landing page dot enter product name into search box field, prop dot get property name. Save this, guys. Once that is landing page and enter product name into the search box field. Once this is done, right? Okay, once this is done, next thing is that I need to click on the search button. Okay, so here once I enter HP into the search box field, I need to click on the search button here. For that to happen, I'll just write down landing page. Okay, landing page dot click on landing page dot click on search button. But that if you go to the landing page, is there any search box field is there? Here search button is not there. So create that web element, that is private web element search button and create a web element for the search button. Here simply write down at the rate find by, and simply write down xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression of the search button here, inspect the search button properly, inspect it properly. And here this is the button, guys, it has a class. Copy this class and button tag a double forward slash button at the rate class is equal to, give that class locator, and this will locate the button. Okay, copy this xpath expression and simply write down, paste it here. Okay, copy the xpath expression and paste it. Save this. Once you save this, right, create a method here, public void click on search button. Okay, click on search button, and here write down search button dot click, like this you write. Okay, once you click on the search button, what will happen? You'll be taken to which page? Search page. Okay, already we created the page class for the search page here, you see, search page. So when I click on the search button, I'll say return new search page object reference I'll return, and I'll pass the driver here, and here search page is the return type. Okay, that's it. Now go back here and simply write down landing page dot click on search button, and this will return you the object reference of the search page. Object reference of the search page will come here. Search page is equal to, right, like this, write down. Okay, once you get the object reference of the search page, on the search page you have to verify that this particular product has come into the search results or not. Each existing product is displayed in the search results or not. So here I'll go to the, to do that. Okay, once you get the search page, to verify that the what is the expected result here, such product should be displayed in the search results. Okay, such a product should be did we navigate to the search page or not, we have to verify. First of all, did we navigate to the search page or not? Okay, for that to happen, I'll simply write down assert dot assert true. Okay, assert dot assert true, search page dot did we navigate to the search page is one verification I'll do. Okay, so using the breadcrumb of search page, we are verifying that. And other thing is that in the search, go to the search page and see where is search page here. Go to the search page here and create a web element for that private web element existing product. Okay, and here write down at the rate find by. Okay, find by. Here inspect this existing product things and inspect that. And here write down link text is there. HPLP. This is a link text. Okay, so here link text is equal to link text locator is equal to, give that link text locator, save this, and simply verify whether this particular product is getting displayed in the search results or not. For that to happen, public boolean, okay, is existing product displayed, is existing product displayed. Okay, in results. Okay, in search results. Okay, in search results. Like this, I'll create a method which is readable, and here say existing product dot is displayed. Okay, existing product dot is displayed, and here I'll return the boolean value. Return the boolean value. Okay, and here boolean value is already there. Save this. Okay, save this, guys. Okay, save this, and we'll call this method now. Okay, we'll call this method from the search page. Here I'll write down assert dot assert true. Okay, assert dot assert true, and here I'll write down search page dot is existing product displayed in the search results page. Okay, that's it. The test is done. Okay, so go here and see, verify searching with an existing product name. Test got successfully automated. Now let's run the test and see whether it is working fine. And before running it, I'll create one more method like public void tear down method. Okay, in the tear down method, I'll simply write okay, in the tear down method, I'll provide annotation that is after method annotation. After method annotation, and import this annotation from testng library. And also, okay, fine. So what I'll do next here is, you see, save this, and next thing what I will do here is I'll go to the base.java. In the base.java, okay, close browser related stuff will be there. Close browser method I'm going to call here. Copy this and here call it directly, because this class is a child class of the base class, and you need to pass the driver here. Put a semicolon. Okay, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, close browser is equal to driver. That's it. Okay, close browser is equal to driver, and that's it. The method is done. Okay. You don't have to do anything. So save this and run the test once. Run the test once. Just when you run the test, is the test working fine or not? Let's see. Yeah, the test is working fine. It's perfectly working fine. But here I'm going to do some changes in this project, guys. That is, go to the search.java here and just expand. That will reduce some lines of the code, guys. You see, whenever you are importing the testng annotations, right, like before method, after method, at the rate test, right, here 3 lines are getting added. Instead of adding these 3 lines, after annotations provide asterisk symbol. You see, you don't need this extra things. Okay, see, wherever you have multiple annotations being imported, you just write down asterisk symbol here. Copy this and do the same thing in every file. That is login.java. You do the same thing. Okay, login.java. Here, instead of writing the 3 statements, write a single statement. You see, wherever you are reducing the lines, that's already good, guys. Okay, if you are reducing some lines, that's already good, guys. Okay, so we have to do that often. Okay, and go to the logout.java, and here also replace. Here 3 statements are there. Replace them. Okay, save this. Okay, here, and also, guys, under the pages also we have different page classes. And here, what if you see, I got the same idea. For example, if I go to the login.java, Here, selenium.key, selenium.webdriver is there. What if I put hashtag here? Do I have to import this? No, right? That's it. You see, I'm able to reduce the import statements also. Here, a lot of page classes are there. So pages hashtag you put. You don't have to write this many page classes. You don't have to write. Okay, everything will be automatically imported. Then utils common. Yeah, I think this, the number of import statements also got reduced now. Okay. So wherever we have the facility, right, we'll take an advantage and reduce the lines of the code in the script. Okay. So small things matter, guys. Small things matter. Okay. We have to do that. We have to take care of that. Okay. Right. Hashtag symbol here. It's okay. And here pages dot hashtag you write. Don't have to import every page class. One time you do, everything is done. Okay, save this and go to the register.java. Here also, here expand this and first of all, there's a lot of import statements are there. Java.io hashtag I'll write. Java.sql.hashtag I'll write. Okay. I don't have to write all this, things now. Then util dot hashtag. Okay. For multiple things you are doing this, guys. Okay. Here write on mail dot hashtag. Okay. So immediate classes you can remove here. Search is okay. That is a random thing. That's okay. Fine. If multiple things are there, don't do that. Okay. Selenium dot keys. Here, hashtag you write down. Selenium dot hashtag you write down. So you don't have to write all these things. Okay. Then save all. Any errors are there anywhere? Okay. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Then testng dot assert annotations here. Provide asterisk symbol. Remove these things. Okay. Remove this thing also. Save this. Where is error? Let's go here and where is error here? No such element exception. Okay, the type explicitly import no such element exception from Selenium library, and there is a problem here with no such element exception. I removed that statement actually, but that is not coming. I don't know why it's not coming. That's okay. If it is not coming, just ignore that. Okay. This org.openqs selenium.hashtag. Okay, that's fine. Wherever you can reduce, you reduce, guys. Otherwise, don't make it complicated. Okay, it's just one way of reducing the lines of the code. That's it. If it is working fine, all good. If it's not working fine, don't take it seriously. Just try to reduce. That's it. Okay, without any errors, try to reduce that. Okay. So we are done with the register.java. Go to search.java, and here also Selenium hashtag you write down, and here also pages dot hashtag you write down. Here testng dot assert annotations dot hashtag, and everything is good so far. Save this. Okay, you don't have to import every time. Okay, now because of this. Okay, so we'll practice the same format next time onwards and see that we don't have to import much things. Okay, save this. All good. Okay, without any problems, we have that. I'll run the test again to see whether it is working still fine or not. Okay, we have reduced the number of imports. Slowly, we'll make the changes to the framework and this project level. You see, small, minute things matter here. Okay, you are learning something new. Okay, every time in our test method. Okay, in this during the automation of the entire application, step by step, we are learning a lot of ideas we are getting and we are implementing that. And what is other thing that we can implement here? I'm just thinking, guys. Okay, so there's one thing that we can implement. Other thing that we can implement here is, you see, most of the cases when you say, did we navigate to search page or is existing product displayed? There is a possibility of getting a no such element exception here. Okay, there is a possibility of getting no such element exception here in these methods and all. So it's better whenever you are returning the boolean value or whatever the methods that you have created so far in the page classes, it's better to implement the try catch blocks, guys. Okay. So what I will do here going ahead is I'll start with the about us page, first page, and here when I perform some operation, right, there's a possibility that if this particular element is not available or displayed on the page, there's a possibility of getting no such element exception instead of getting false here. So the code should not be written like this. Rather, the code should be written like this: boolean b, okay, is equal to false. Okay, we have to write this code explicitly. Whether it passes every time, it may fail also. Sometimes if the option is not coming, it will not fail properly, guys. So it will return you. It will give no such element exception instead of returning false. Okay, but here either true or false should come. If the element is there displayed, then true should come. Otherwise, false should come. So it's better you write like this. Okay, surround this statement with instead of returning here, here simply say b is equal to. Just simply say b is equal to, and here write down. Okay, catch no such element exception is possible here. No such element exception. No such element exception. You see, at the framework level, we are doing some changes in this page object class methods. Okay, in a proper way, we are doing here. Import this from Selenium library. Okay, import that from Selenium library. Okay, here also any a lot of import statements are there. Selenium dot are there. Try to put hashtag symbol. You see, is there any problem coming? And remove this two items. Okay, here support dot find by support dot page factory. Two things are there. Hashtag symbol. That's it. You don't need these two items. You see, reduce import statements wherever possible. Save this. That's it. And here write down b is equal to, if we are going to the catch block, we have to say b is equal to false. The element is not displayed, and here simply say return b. That's it. Return b. That's it. You see, this will solve the problem, guys. This will solve the problem. Okay. So if you get no such element exception, it will not give you no such element exception. Rather, it will give you the boolean value false here. Okay. If no such element appears also. Go to the account logout page. Do the similar changes here. Go here and see each and every method you see. Get page heading. What if this particular element doesn't exist? Then what you will do? This particular element doesn't exist. What you will do? Okay. So either you should get the text, or the exception comes, what you will do. Okay. So better you write down something like string page heading. Okay, page heading like this you write is equal to null, you write down. Okay, and here write down try block, and here provide circular brackets and say page heading is equal to you write down. Okay, and write like this and say catch. Here, what if no such element exception occurs? Element exception E. Save this. Why this is giving me a problem? Get text string only, right? Page heading dot get text. Okay, sorry. The value name and the element name is matching. Page heading text, otherwise page heading text I'll say. Then it will be fine. Import this from Selenium library and go here and see if any. Okay, that's okay. Here also, there are multiple page classes here. Import statements you try to reduce here. All this can be reduced here. Instead of find by, you put hashtag, and this next statement is not required. Remove that. Okay, save this. Okay, save this, guys. Okay, save this. That's it. Okay, now go back here and see what is happening. Okay, here simply write down get page heading. Okay, so here if the page heading is not there, then give it page heading is equal to null. Okay, give that null value only and return that. Okay, return page heading text. Okay, this is how we can handle this problem. And if the heading really comes, it will not give no such element exception, rather it will give you the null value here. Okay, so that's how we can solve the problem. Okay, fine. Okay, return page heading text, all this is good. Okay, that is either null or a proper text should be, and when you compare that, if null is there, it null will be not compared, you know uh, when you compare null with some other thing, uh, this will fail. Okay, fine. If a wrong page heading is there, it will fail. Fine then. And next thing here is, here also click on continue button dot click, return new landing page is there here. What if this continue button is not available? Okay, if there is a this continue button is not there on the page, what you will do? Okay, so basically here also you have to provide try catch block. Okay, try catch, no such element. So instead of providing try catch block everywhere, are you getting some ideas here, uh, to see what we can be doing? Instead of trying putting this try catch block, maybe do I need to customize this for every element, or what else I need to do here? Okay, if no such element exception is coming, what I have to do and all those stuff. So I have to write like this, or maybe you'll do it later. That's okay. Here you just write down no such element exception. E. The code is getting repeated. I can see that clearly try catch block is getting repeated everywhere, but different terms, different things are happening here. Okay. Is If the element is available, then proceed with this operation. Such kind of thing we need to write, guys. But ultimately, is it a good idea or something? I'm just thinking. If else blocks I need to write, so there is no use of that. Okay, I'll do like this only. If required, we'll take it to the next level later. Okay, fine. Control Shift F, and here write down. We'll take it to the next level definitely. Okay, so here continue button dot click. If no such element exception is there, what you will do? Uh, it should fail actually. Okay, it should fail. Okay, So how does it fail? E dot print stack trace. I'll just write it down and it will fail. We'll handle the exception and you need to proceed to the next step when continue button doesn't come here. Okay, is something we need to think about. We need to click on the continue button. If the element doesn't come, what do you have to do? If the element doesn't come, no such element exception will come and no such element exception will stop the script there itself. And instead of stopping the script, what I'm doing here, if it has to fail, it has to fail, right? So am I doing right things here or not? I'm just checking. To get the page heading, we are verifying that we'll use in the assert statement. So we have to write like that, okay? But what we get is somewhere else, okay? If we are getting no such element exception, what we have to do? We have to fail the test, right? We have to fail the test here. Okay, so, okay, fine. Click on continue button. Do you have to write try catch block or not? I'm just thinking, okay? Let's not put this inside the try catch block. Let it be there like that, okay? Remove this try catch block and not everywhere you need this. Control Shift F. Only in assert statements, wherever the methods we are using in the assert statements, we'll use that so that we'll not get any problems, okay? Now save this. Continue button dot click. Continue button doesn't exist, then the script need to fail, okay? When a particular test fails, it will take a screenshot and attach the report and all those stuff. So should not be hiding this and continue the script, okay? It will be very difficult. Okay, return logout dot is displayed. Here you see you have to, if logout breadcrumb doesn't come, then what you're going to do, you have to think, okay? So here boolean b, this is generally used in assert statement. So boolean b is equal to false, and here b is equal to write down, and here write down try block, and here write down catch, then write down no such element exception, no such element exception e, and here write down b is equal to false. Control Shift F and simply write down return B. That's it. Either true or false will come here. Such kind of cases we'll use. Click on account drop menu. Will not touch this. Okay. If there's a problem, it will fail the script. That's okay. And here login and return. I think we should not do any changes here. Okay. That's it, guys. We are done with this account logout page. Account page also will do the changes here. Okay. Like how do we do the changes here? Here you see return message dot get text. If the message doesn't come, we generally get the message to do some assertion only. Okay, get message. Why we do? We'll use that message, alert message, and if the message doesn't match or something, the test need to fail. So here I'll say string message text is equal to null. Okay, and here write down try, and here write down message text is equal to like this. You write down and provide catch exception, no such element exception, no such element exception e, and here I'll write down if this element doesn't occur, import this and write down no message text is equal to null. You write down and here simply say return message text. Okay, return message text. I'll write put a semicolon here. That's it. Save this. Okay, all good. So one more thing is that I'll go to the top here and simply write hashtag symbol here. Okay, remove this web element thing. Okay. Okay, I'm importing this from no such element exception from a wrong place. Okay. So let's import it from a proper one. Where is error? Where no such element exception should be imported from Selenium library only. Here asterisk symbol is there, it got rectified. That's okay. And here also asterisk symbol you provide and you don't need to write this line anymore. Okay. Save this guys, save this and go down. I think this is done, right? This is done. Okay, is it done or we are continuing? Maybe we are continuing. Okay, this is okay. The next one is this one you don't have to do any changes. Okay, this one also you don't have to do anything. Here you have to do changes. Okay, boolean b is equal to false, and here I'll write down try. Here I'll say b is equal to, okay, and here write down catch no such element exception e, and here write down b is equal to false, and here say return b. Okay, control shift F. That's it, done. Here again, did we navigate? Here also boolean B is equal to false. And here write down B is equal to surround this with a try catch block. Try. Here write down catch. No such element. Exception E. And here write down B is equal to false. If an exception comes, then return B. Control Shift F. Organizing purpose. Save this. Go to the next one. You don't have to do anything here. You don't have to do anything here. All good. Save this. Go to the next one. Account success page. Go to the account success page here. Okay, these things are done. Go to the account success page. Next page is account success page. And go to the top here and remove the hashtag symbol here and remove this part. Then put hashtag symbol here, remove this line. You see, we are reducing the lines of the code here anyhow, indirectly or directly. Save this and come back here and, here write boolean b is equal to false. Here say b is equal to, then write on try block. Here end the try block, catch, no such element exception E, and here write down B is equal to false and simply say return B, semicolon, control shift F, done. Here string page heading text is equal to null. Okay, try. Okay, here write page heading text is equal to and here write down catch, no such element exception is coming. Okay, we should not get this exception most of the cases, so we are doing that. Simply write down page heading text is equal to null and here say return page heading text, put a semicolon here, that's it, done. Go to the next one. Again the same thing, guys, implement the same thing. Okay, string page, okay, page content text is equal to null, page content text is equal to, put try block here, catch block, no such element exception E, and here write down is equal to null. If it goes to the catch block, just say null and simply say return page. That's it. Control Shift F, done. For the next one, you don't do any changes here. This one we have to do boolean B, put a semicolon is equal to false first of all, then try block, then write down here catch and no such element exception E, and here write down no such element exception, and here write down uh okay, no such element exception, and here write down so here write down B is equal to, first of all, B is equal to, you write down, and here say B is equal to false here and put a semicolon here and say return B, control shift F, all good. Save this, no errors. Are there any errors there? No errors, everything is good so far. Go to the next one, account login page, expand this, put a hashtag symbol here, put page factory, hashtag symbol, all good. No methods are there so for now, so we can leave it. Brand page you go, and here the brand page also expand this and put hashtag symbol here and remove this line. And here also support dot hashtag symbol you put down and remove this line. Okay, and here save this. Okay, reduce unnecessary spaces also you can remove, and here go down and here is displayed is there. Simply what you know what to do. Boolean b is equal to false. Okay, try. Here say b is equal to, and here write down catch no such element exception E, and here write down b is equal to false, and here simply say return B. Okay, return B, control shift F. Save this, guys, save this. Okay, done. This part is also done. Now go to the brand page is done, right? Brand page is done. So go to the change password page, close all this stuff. Go to the, a lot of pages are there here, guys. We have to do the changes for all these pages. That's okay. So here also do the same thing, guys. That is, okay. Send keys. You're entering the text, but you're not returning anything back. So don't have to do anything here. Send keys is fine. Operations when you are doing, no need to implement try catch blocks. Here also same thing. Don't do any changes here, but expand this. Here provide asterisk symbol. Small changes we'll do here. Asterisk symbol here also asterisk symbol. Okay, and you can remove this line. Just remove this space and remove this line. Already hashtag symbol is provided. Remove this line. Here also the same thing. Save. That's it. No errors are there. Everything is good so far. Close this. Contact us page. In the contact us page, again, expand this part. Provide hashtag symbol here on the top. Provide hashtag symbol here. And remove this line. And remove this line. And then remove this space. Save this. Okay. Save this. And next thing, and go to this and see is displayed is there. So simply we have to implement like this boolean b is equal to false. Then try b is equal to, okay. Then catch no such element, no such element exception, no such element exception. E, and here write b is equal to false. A lot of things are there, guys. We'll improvise this still. This is not the final version, okay? We'll improvise this, okay? But we are trying to do step by step. We'll go, guys, okay? Return b, I'll say, okay? We'll go step by step. A lot of other ideas are there to be optimizing the code here, okay? In every method, we are repeating the code here for try catch blocks for different type of elements in different pages. So we have to ideate something and implement something in the framework so that this particular method also looks good, and this kind of complexity should be hidden in the next level layer. Okay, so that will do it later, guys. Okay, not everything we have to do in a single session, right? We have a lot of other sessions coming up. In other sessions, I'm going to show you how to do all this stuff. Okay, so slow by slow we are implementing some ideas here to get the things done. Okay, so here again, expand this and provide hashtag symbol here, provide hashtag symbol. Okay, here. Okay, then remove this line. Here also remove this line. That's it. Save this, and here easy spread is there. Simply write down boolean b is equal to false and say b is equal to here write try block. Okay, catch no such element exception e, and here I am going to write down b is equal to false and simply say return b, and to format this code control shift f. Save this. That's it. We are done. You're done with this. Go to the next one. And again, expand this and provide hashtag symbol here. Here also provide hashtag symbol. Remove this line. Remove this line. Remove this. Save this. And come back here and write down, okay? Yeah, return. You are returning some value here, guys. String in the form of string value. You are returning something here. Okay, get DOM attribute value. Okay, you are returning. Maybe for assertion only you are doing this. So it's better if this particular first name field doesn't exist, then what you have to do. Okay, so here write down string first name field value is equal to null. Okay, first name field value is equal to null. You will say, and here write down first name field value is equal to first name field value is equal to, and here provide try block here. Provide try block, and here catch no such element exception, no such element exception e, and here write down first name field value is equal to null, and here simply say return first name field value, put a semicolon here. That's it. Control shift f. Save this. Done. Okay, good. So far here again the same thing, guys. We have repeated the same thing. String last name field value is equal to null. Okay, then try block, write this, and here write down last name field value is equal to, okay, then here catch no such element exception e, and here write down value is equal to null, and simply say return. Save this. Okay, control shift f. Save and control shift f. Done. Then here again the same thing. String email field value is equal to null. Okay, try, and here write down catch no such element exception e, and here write down email field value is equal to null, and here say email field is equal to, you write down and simply here say return email field value, control shift F. Save this. Okay, this part is also done. Last one, again value is there, string telephone field value is equal to null, and here write try block, and here say field value is equal to, here write down catch no such element exception, no such element exception E, and here write down telephone field value is equal to null, telephone field value is equal to null, and simply say return telephone field value. That's it. Think we are good to go, right? Yeah, good to go. Save this. Done. Okay. And here also we modified. Everything is working fine, guys. Okay. So let's go with the footer options here. Now again, expand this and provide hashtag symbol here, provide hashtag symbol here, and remove this statement as hashtag symbol is already provided. Remove this line, and here also remove the spaces. Okay. Save this. Go down. Okay, here, don't do any changes here, don't do any changes here, don't do any changes here, don't do any activities, you don't do any try catch block. Okay, here also no try catch. Okay, no need to write any try catch blocks as here. Okay, click, click. All these are like, returning something back, so you don't have to do anything here. Don't do any changes here. Everything is fine here. Okay, then forgotten password page, expand this, provide hashtag symbol here, provide hashtag symbol here, and remove this line, remove this line, remove that space, save this, and here each spread is being verified. So boolean b is equal to false. Okay, then here write try block and say b is equal to, you write down here b is equal to, and here write down catch no such element exception E, and here write down b is equal to false, and here simply say return B. Okay. Control Shift F and save this. Done. This is also done. Go to the gift certificate page, and here also expand this. Provide hashtag symbol here. Provide hashtag symbol here. Sorry, remove this line, already done. Okay. Okay, then I'm just thinking what else we can do here. Okay. Fine. So here hashtag symbol. Okay, we'll create more ideas in the later sessions. Okay, for now this is fine. And here is displayed is there. Simply write down boolean b is equal to false. Put a semicolon here and write down try block. And here write down catch no such element exception E. And here write down uh, b is equal to false. And here write down b is equal to, and simply write down return B. Control Shift F and save this. Done. Okay, this is also done. Header options. Go to the header options now. Expand this and provide hashtag symbol here. Remove these lines. Here provide hashtag symbol and remove this line. Remove this extra space. Then go down here to the methods. Go down to the methods, and here already try catch block is implemented. Okay, boolean b and all. You don't have to do any change here. Is spread here. Simply write down boolean b false, and here try b is equal to, then write b is equal to, and here write down catch, then no such element exception E, and here write down b is equal to false. Okay, then return b, put a semicolon here, control shift F, save this. Okay, save this, and here fine. Okay, so don't do anything, click, don't do anything. Active actions, you don't have to do anything, guys. Only returns, if you're returning some text or boolean value, then only you do the changes. Otherwise, you see, nowhere you need to do any changes here. Save all, that's it, done. Then go to the next one, landing page. The landing page, again, expand this part, write hashtag symbol here, remove this line, then write hashtag symbol here, and remove this line also, remove this space here, and here go down, save this. First of all, save this, and here write down click, don't do any changes for the click. For send keys, don't do any changes. This also click on my account, you don't do any changes. Return, no, don't do any changes, don't do any changes, don't do any changes, no need to do any change, no need any change. Login page, go to the login page, expand this and simply write hashtag symbol here. This many statements are not required now. Here hashtag symbol and remove this statement and remove the space. That's it. Save this. We have reduced the import number of import statements. Go down and see enter, return, click on login button. Don't do any changes here. Okay. Here get text. Here we have to write string page heading text. Okay. Page heading one text. Okay. One text is equal to null. First of all, null. And here write down try block. And here write down page heading one text is equal to. Then here write down catch no such element exception, no such element exception E, and here write down page editing text, okay, sorry, is equal to null, and here return null, return page heading text, put a semicolon here, Control Shift F, save this, done. Next one, return get text. Again, here also we have to do the same thing, string page heading to text, okay, to text is equal to null, put a semicolon here and write down page heading text is equal to, okay, write the try block, here write the catch, no such, no such element exception E, and here write down page heading text is equal to null here, put a semicolon and simply say return page heading text. Control Shift F, save this guys, and again here no need to do anything, clear also no need to do anything. Here you're returning something, string text copied into email field, okay, email field, copied text or text copied into email copied email copied email field text, okay, like this you can say is equal to null here, put a semicolon here, write try block and simply say is equal to, and here write down catch no such element exception E, and here write down is equal to null and put return semicolon here, Control Shift F, okay, that is done. Save this, and here am I returning anything? No. What about this one? No. Here data attribute type, you're returning something, password field type, okay, is equal to, okay, null, and here write down try block, and here catch no such, okay, no such element exception E, and here write down password field text is equal to null, you write down, and here copy this and simply write down is equal to, and here simply say return, paste, Control Shift F, done. Any other things you are returning back with the text format here, you can do this same thing here, string, okay, string email placeholder text, okay, folder text is equal to placeholder text is equal to null, and here write down try, okay, put it here and say email is equal to, and here write down, and here write down catch no such element exception E, and here write down is equal to null, put a semicolon here and simply say return, return what, return this one, Control Shift F, save this, okay, save this guys, and again the same thing here, string, lot of things may be there here, password placeholder text is equal to null, copy this part and write down here and write the try block here, try, then here write catch no such element exception E, and here write down placeholder text is equal to null, placeholder text is equal to null, you write down control shift F and simply say return placeholder text, that semicolon here, that's it. Control shift F, okay, sorry, control shift F and save this, done. Next one is displayed is there, so boolean b is equal to false, then try block, and here write down b is equal to, write down b is equal to, and here write down catch, no such element exception, no such element exception E, and here write down B is equal to false, B is equal to false, and simply say return false, return B, put a semicolon here, control shift F, save this guys, okay. Next one, click here, get text is there, and string warning message text is equal to null, put a semicolon here, copy this part and paste it here, and then write down try block here, write down the try block, write down the try block and say catch. Here no such element exception E, and then write down warning message text is equal to null, and simply say return warning message text, put a semicolon, control shift F, save this guys, this is also done. Next one, okay, this part is done, this part is done. Okay, then okay, done. Send keys. No need to do any action. Whenever you are not returning anything, just performing actions, you don't have to do anything, guys. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Here we have to write boolean b is equal to false, b is equal to, and here write the try block. Then write down the lot of repetition will be there, guys. This is what happens. We have to have a lot of patience here. While working on a project, we should have a lot of patience. Exception E, and here write b is equal to false, b is equal to false, and simply say return B and control shift F. No such element exception, control shift F. Save this. Done. Okay. All good. So far, all good. Okay. The next one, go to the newsletter page. Here, expand this. Few more page files are there. Okay. Let's do it. Asterisk, remove this part. Asterisk, then remove this part. Remove this space. Save this for now. And then go back here. Go down here. Is displayed is there. Simply write down boolean b is equal to false, put a semicolon and write down try, then catch no such element exception E, and here write down b is equal to, and here say b is equal to false in the catch block, and here say return b, put a semicolon, control shift F, sorry, control shift F, okay, save this and go down here, return is selected, here also do the same thing, boolean boolean b is equal to false, then try, then b is equal to, okay, b is equal to, and here write down catch no such element exception E, and here write down b is equal to false, and simply say return b, semicolon here, come down here and simply write down boolean b is equal to false, b is equal to, write down b is equal to, and write the try block, and here write the catch and write down no such element exception E, no such element exception, and here write down b is equal to false, and here write down return b guys, put a semicolon here, control shift F, that's it, done. Save this, it's also done. Privacy policy page, expand this and write the asterisk symbol here to reduce the lines of the import statements. Here also asterisk symbol, and here also you remove this and remove this extra space, and here save this, and here is displayed is there, only one method, boolean b is equal to false, try b is equal to, and here catch, then write no such element exception E, and here write down b is equal to false, and simply say return b, put a semicolon here, control shift F, save this guys, save this, done. Okay, Control Shift F and save this and go to the product returns page, expand this, hashtag symbol, remove this line, here also remove this line, save this, and then here is displayed is there, simply write on boolean b, only one method, false, try, okay, b is equal to, okay, b is equal to, and say catch, no such element, exception, exception, exception E, and here write down B is equal to false. Okay, then return B. Okay, Control Shift F, guys, Control Shift F, and save this. Okay, done. This is also done. Then few more page files are there here. From here to here, it's there. Register page is there. Okay, I'll just simply say close all here and open the register page here and time dot hashpick selenium dot hashpick. All the selenium things I can remove till here. Support dot hashpick. Remove all the support things. Okay, support thing, and here UI dot hashpick. Remove this part. Done. Save this. No errors are there now. And go down, go down, go down, go down. Lot of methods may be there here. Get text is there. Return get text string. What is the text? Register page heading text is equal to null, and here write down register page heading is equal to, write this inside the try block, try, and here write the catch no such element exception E, and here write down is equal to null and simply say return, put a semicolon here. Okay, that's it, done. Control Shift F. Okay, save this. Next one, your returning is displayed. WebDriver wait out until, okay, what we are waiting for actually. We are waiting for this element, but there is a possibility of getting exception anywhere. So Boolean value here, first of all, it's a Boolean value. I'll do one thing, no matter what, I'll just provide try block here. Try block, okay, I'll give Boolean value here. Okay, simply Boolean value. Boolean B is equal to false. Boolean B is equal to false. Put a semicolon here and write down try block. And here catch, here no such element exception E, and simply write down B is equal to false here. Okay, and here write down, instead of return, say B is equal to, and here return B, semicolon, Control Shift F. Okay, Control Shift F. Done. Save this. This is also done, guys. This is also done. This is how we need to verify and get the things done. Okay. Next one, click, don't do anything. Click, don't do anything. Send keys, don't do actions. You don't do anything, guys. Okay, when you are returning something, only you have to do. No. Get text. Here we have to do string first name warning text. First name warning text is equal to null. Put a semicolon here. Say try block, and here write down first name warning text is equal to, okay, catch no such element exception E, and here write down first name warning text dot, sorry, first name warning text is equal to null. Okay, here return, guys, return first name warning text, put a semicolon here. That's it, done. Control Shift F. Control Shift F. Okay, save this. Formatting is done. Here returning, here also you're returning something, string last name warning text is equal to null, and here write down try, then catch no such element exception E, here write down last name is equal to null, and copy this part, last name is equal to, copy this area, and here provide that, and here write down return a semicolon here. That's it. Control Shift F. Done. Next one, here again the same thing, string email warning text is equal to null. Okay, email warning text is equal to, and here write the try block. Okay, then here write down the catch block. No such element exception e. Okay, here write down email warning text is equal to null, and simply say return this one. Control Shift F, Control Shift F. Done. Next one. Here also a lot of written things are there here. Okay, for everything we have to do this. Okay, string telephone warning text is equal to null. Try telephone warning text is equal to, right down here, catch no such element exception key, then write down is equal to null, and here simply say return. Control Shift F. Okay, done. Then here again string password warning text is equal to null. Try here, and password warning text is equal to, then write down here catch catch no such element section e, then write down is equal to null, semicolon, and simply say return. Save. Okay, let string privacy policy warning text is equal to null. Try, then catch no such element exception e, and here write down privacy policy warning text field is equal to, and then here write down is equal to null, and then simply say return this one. Control Shift F. Okay, sorry, what is happening? Save this first of all. Control Shift F. Done. Okay, then boolean value, boolean boolean b is equal to false. Try here catch no such element exception e, and here write down b is equal to, here b is equal to false, and here simply say return b. Control Shift F. Done. Next, click, don't do anything, click, don't do anything, click, don't do anything. Get text again we have to do here. A lot of methods are there in this file, guys. Okay, so we have to, it will take some time, that's okay. String password confirmation warning text is equal to null, and try block password one confirmation warning text is equal to, and here write down catch no such element exception e, and here write down is equal to null, a semicolon, and simply say return. That's it. Go down, get text again, string existing email warning text is equal to null. Copy this part is equal to, okay, here write down try block, try, then catch no such element exception e. You see, a lot of things are getting repeated still. Is equal to null. Okay, is equal to null. Put a semicolon here. Control Shift F, and simply write down return. That's it. Done. Next one here. String email validation message text is equal to null. Then try here. Go down here and write down email validation message text is equal to, okay, then catch then no such element, exception E, okay, then write down is equal to null is equal to null, then write down return semicolon, done. Don't have to do anything here. Here we have to do string place holder text from first name, okay, first name placeholder text is equal to null. Copy this, say is equal to, copy this and say is equal to, okay, then write try block here, then write the catch block, catch no such element, exception E, then write down is equal to, then write down false, sorry, is equal to null, sorry, text return first name placeholder text, okay, control shift F, done. Save this. Many more fields are there here. That's okay. A lot of fields we have to keep writing here. You see, a lot of things are there here. So we have to be very patient here, okay, and complete the things. Okay, let's try to complete them. Okay, so we'll do one thing, guys. This is taking some time, right? So we'll continue this process in the next session, okay? Because it's taking too much of time. So from the register page, the 322nd line, we'll continue in the next session. So in this session, we have done a lot of changes already, guys. In this session, we have done a lot of changes, but we'll do after doing the changes also. If you go to search.java here, any Boolean value is displayed and all those things are there. Okay, run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Search page is there here. We can modify the search page and verify that for a while. Okay, go to the search page here and do the modifications. Write the hashtag symbol. With search page only will verify. Remaining all will not verify. And remaining will continue. Okay. So a lot of work is there still. Okay, that we'll do in the next session. And I will optimize the code also in the next session. So yeah, here, write down Boolean. B is equal to false. Try. Then B is equal to, and write down catch no such element exception E, then here write down B is equal to false, B is equal to false, and simply say return B, okay, control shift F, done, save this, and here write down this one also, write down the same thing, boolean, B is equal to false, and here write down try block, B is equal to, okay, if this concept is working fine, then such test should work fine. No such element exception, no such element exception E, and here write down B is equal to false, then write return B, control shift F, that's it, save this. Now run the search.java here to see whether it is working fine or not. If it is working fine, we'll take it light for now, and then we'll continue the remaining work in the next session. Okay, it's working fine, guys. We have to go from the register, only search page we have done. Register page, right column options, shopping cart, sitemap, special offers, and terms and conditions are some pages we have to modify. We'll do that in the next session anyhow. Okay, so for this session, this much, guys. Okay, I know there is some pending work here. We automated the first test case and we modified some framework related, project related, framework related stuff. Still, optimization is still required. In the next session, maybe we will try to optimize this and implement the second test case also if possible. Okay, that's what is the plan. So let's stop it here, stop the session here, and we'll continue in the next session. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.